Nige, got a minute to answer a question for the website?
Yeah, all right. Really? Well, I'm not too worried about that. Not yet, anyway. While AI technology is advancing rapidly, that's not in dispute. It's capable of automating many tasks, including certain aspects of video editing. So it's more like a tool that editors use. I don't think editing entirely will be replaced by AI anytime soon, or probably ever. So let me explain my reasoning there. What we do at Supermotion requires a combination of technical skills, creative decision making that AI can't replicate, although AI can assist, like I said before. The tasks that they kind of help us with is color grading, audio correction, and even some basic and often random editing functions. It's only ever a starting point, though. It isn't a match ever for intuition, creativity, and experience of a skilled human editor. Some little lambs just wandered up to me. So anyway, they've not got the editor's jobs just yet. Let's not forget, video editing is also collaborative. That involves getting input from multiple people, including clients, directors, producers. It's as much about relationships and trusting each other's perspective, which obviously AI can't do that. So yeah, again, not too worried. Click the strategy call button below if you want to talk more about artificial intelligence, and I'll give you many, many more reasons why you need a human editor. That okay?
Until next time.
Thanks.